My mother's cooking was very Jewish. It wasn't kosher because neither my mother nor my father were religious, but it was kosher style. We wouldn't have butter on the table when there was meat. We didn't eat pork. We didn't eat shellfish, but not out of religious scruples, but really out of habit. I remember when I used to visit my father at his dental office, which was 7 blocks away on Utica Avenue. He'd take me out for lunch and we'd go to a Chinese restaurant and we'd eat pork. And then he used to particularly like something called a Western sandwich, which was egg mixed with pork, or bacon rather, I think, egg mixed with bacon. So I said to him once, sort of kidding him, I said, "Papa, you're eating bacon in that sandwich." And he'd say, "Dovidel, that's ridiculous." He said, "If I like it, it can't be bacon."